This person is wearing a full face prosthetic mask to avoid CCTV and facial recognition. This anti surveillance mask let you pass as someone else. The 9.0 earthquake that struck Japan in 2011 was so powerful it shifted the Earth's mass and shortened our days by 1.8 microsecond. During the World War II, a great dog named Juliana defused a bomb by peeing on it. She earned a Blue Cross medal. In 1958, two pilots Robert Tim and Jim Cook flew an aircraft for more than 2 months without landing, refueling by matching speed with a truck driving down a road. Their record has not been broken yet. Forensic experts use ancient Semite skull to reveal what Jesus Christ may have looked like. This was the bicycle of future in 1946. Google rent goats to eat the grass at their Mountain View headquarters. An ostrich carriage being stopped by the police for crossing the speed limit Los Angeles around 1930. Meet the man who grows chairs, tables and lamps. Gavin Munro does not just grow trees, he grows furniture. A prototype chair was eventually developed using 4 trees. If you ever feel your computer or setup is slow, remember that NASA landed on the moon using 4 KB RAM. The shortest, tallest and fattest man of Europe playing cards together in 1913. The oldest unopened bottle of wine was found in a Roman tomb that is over 1650 years old. In 1949, an official boxing match between a bear and a man was held. The bear won. The only Japanese passenger who survived the Titanic lost his job because he was known as a coward in Japan for not dying with the other passengers. Navy tribute to Einstein. This is a real picture from 1960 USA nuclear powered ship thanking Albert Einstein for his contribution to physics by writing E equal mc square on the ship. Microsoft once held a funeral to mark the death of the iPhone when it launched its own line of phones. An Apollo astronaut lost his wedding ring during his trip to the moon and found it again during a spacewalk. Laika, a dog, was the first living creature to be launched into orbit. It was understood that Laika would not survive the mission. In 2015, two strangers sat next to each other on a flight and noticed they look identical. Meet Matthew Hogg, the man who is drunk all the time because his body produces its own alcohol. This is a rare disease called the autobrewery syndrome that's make you drunk when you eat carbs. Scientists accidentally found life under 3000 feet of ice in Antarctica. Never in a million years would they have expected it, the lead scientist Doctor Who Griffith said. This is how much food you can get for the cost of a pack of cigarettes in Australia. Scientists reproduced the vocal of a 3000-year-old Egyptian mummy and made it talk. Experts believe that his vocal function allows us to make direct contact with ancient Egypt. Fox frozen in block of ice after drowning in Danube River in Germany. Your body is only 11 months old. Almost every cell in your body is replaced every 11 months except for brain cells which are replaced after 7 years. In Denmark, starting pay at McDonald's is roughly $22 an hour. Workers get life insurance, maternity leave, a pension and 6 weeks of paid vacation each year. Astronaut in International Space Station see 15 sunrises and 15 sunsets a day. This movie theater bathroom has screen in the floor so you don't miss a single second. This is not a sketch or drawing. This makeup is done on a real girl. The artist name is Danyun. This is the Cobus Museum in Netherlands, world first human biology museum where the internal anatomy of the human body is shown as a room. Its tagline says a journey through the human body. Before clocks were invented, candles that burn a set amount of times were used as clocks. If you wanted an alarm, you had to push a nail at the desired time length in the candle, and when it melted to that point, the nail would fall and clank on the metal holder, waking you up. Gal Gadot was 5 months pregnant while shooting for Wonder Woman. This is called being a Wonder Woman in real life too. A superhero was patrolling the street of San Jose but not to fight with criminals. He was delivering food and clothes to those in need. PhD student Heather Devi Hegborg has created 3D printed portraits from DNA found on cigarette butts and chewing gum on the street of New York City. Mobile phone throwing is an official sport in Finland, international sport that started in Finland in the year 2000. An estimated 1.56 billion face masks ended up in our ocean in 2020. Last known pictures of two of the most brilliant minds in history, Albert Einstein and Nikola Tesla. Your body is the weakest during 3 am to 4 am. This is the time most people die in their sleep. Nokia 1100 is the best selling phone in the world. Launched in 2003, Nokia has sold over 250 million. Japanese artist Monomi Ono transformed old Amazon cardboard boxes into sculptures. Microsoft deployed a data center underwater, increasing sustainability by using water to cool server. This is what it looked like after 2 years. Albert Einstein died after refusing surgery, saying, "I want to go when I want. It is tasteless to prolong life artificially. I have done my share. It is time to go. I will do it elegantly." Humans have been infected by so many viruses that 8% of our DNA is made up of them. The smallest country of Europe, located within Italy, San Marino is the world's oldest republic, 301 AD, and holds the world's oldest continuous constitution. A British man, James Howells, in 2013 threw away a computer hard drive before realizing that it contained 7,500 bitcoins with net worth of $300 million today. Kidney stone under electron microscope, that's why it hurts so damn much. A science teacher from Kenya who donated most of his salary to help poorer students has been crowned the world's best teacher and awarded a $1 million prize, beating 1,000 nominations from 179 countries. A hole drilled on Mars by the Curiosity rover. South Korea has a rule called Cinderella Law which disallows under 16 gamers to play online video game after midnight. Bruce Campbell, a man from Oregon, bought a Boeing 727 for $1 lakh in 1999 and is using it as his house. A Brazilian police officer was saved when Nokia Lumia 520 in his bag stopped a bullet fired on him. In ancient China, soldiers sometimes wore armor made from paper. There used to be fake Apple store in China. Even the staff were convinced that they were working for Apple. The world's deepest post box is in Susami Bay in Japan. It is 10 meters underwater. Samsung safety truck show the road ahead on the back of the truck so that car can pass safely. This is China's artificial sun. It is 150 million degree hot, which is 10 times hotter than the core of the sun. A 9-year-old YouTuber named Ryan Kaji is the highest paid YouTuber of 2020 with earning of Rs 217 crores. He reviews toys on his channel. Japan is developing world's first wooden satellite. They will be launched in 2023. Wooden satellite will burn up without releasing harmful substance into the atmosphere and help in reducing space junk. Rare picture of one of the most intelligent men and women to ever live in the same frame. There is a building in Germany that plays music when it is raining. Tokyo is the safest city in the world. 6-year-old can travel on a public transport on their own. Plane getting struck by lightning while in a rainbow, photo captured by Burke Mobius. Sunflowers are actually made of hundreds of smaller flowers in near perfect symmetry. Japanese railroad workers build special tunnels to save turtles from death. A map of church in Poland. This is a Coke bottle before expanding into a normal size bottle. NASA is building a robot to explore Jupiter's moon Europa from underneath its icy shell. On 1st January 2022, rival drug cartels decided to have a friendly soccer match. The match ended with 16 deaths and 5 injuries. Apple has a secret police called the Worldwide Loyalty Team that makes sure no employees leak anything. World first virtual shopping store in South Korea. Users select their desired item by touching the LCD screen and check out at the counter in the end to have all their orders stuffed packed in bags.